Hello and welcome. You're watching on Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Sarambai, brings you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Catholic Youths organizes the 8th Annual Youth Convention at UMRAN. I am upset with social media for the phrase "the government is blind," Preston. Local committee grateful to PAIEM AINAM MANIK. And unsuccessful the intention to meet the Chief Minister. And now the news in detail. The Catholic Youth Group of UMRAN Circle, which is under Umsling Parish SECYM Zone 7, under the supervision of Kit Dorstius Dikar as the president, organized the 8th Annual Youth Convention 2022 at UMRAN Dairy. The convention started from the 16th and the 18th December 2022 marked its conclusion. Sunshine Makri inaugurated the convention and was the chief guest with the presence of office bearers of Seng Samla Catholic UMRAN Circle and other invitees. Youths participated from different places, and on the concluding day, the mass was presided over by Father Pius Shadap, parish priest. Soon after, followed by the evening cultural program, where the youths participated with joy. There was also the veneration of UMRAN youths for different awards. The final day was concluded by Rocky Marwen, and he also announced that the 9th Annual Youth Convention 2023 will take place in Lom Kenny.
Ngalalay cha te siya po 0 point sebenarnya itu sister MSMC. Mo ke jaka ba klau ha gitu ke jaka ba he bukan lalu ba gue ke pertai. Mo don ki sniang don ki sia don ki basi don ki emu don ki wong ki to ki Turkey don ki barakoi. Ke jaka ba klau henrei habalai itu ki sister kela. Bon ba ki kena ro ki song. Ke ba nang no ki yo ai kata. Kemudian yo kita gejingan yo kita kabor namar bagi don gejingan dari baru belai. Kegomen ko para ngilapoi segini kapor Christmas. Ka gospel kita kesengiru ke keren ni kata. Kau gejing kai disgrace kalau long kumne. Ka kumi jumu ko Maria kalau yang tektin bajusap. Reswam kini apoi la syam malapun no mesti makhoi. Gejing kendit ke bakrau na ka bentau Joseph. Bagaimana kepada kau ke makan juu, ke long maong, ke laset ke layu, kau beriu. Mo, Henry ke gospel ke keren saya kedar, namar bau long bahok, kuah bantat rong.
The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, who was the chief guest on the 19th of December, laid 2 foundation stones to construct a road from Maulai Nonglom to Nong Pedeng and another from Maulai Motsiar to Umjayur under Maulai constituency. Addressing the event, Preston Tinsong expressed his disappointment on social media for the circulation of the phrase "the government is blind" just for the pathetic conditions of roads in Maulai. He went on and explained that the reason behind the destructed roads was the collision between PHE and PWD, which means the need for water and roads collided and priorities had to be made. Meanwhile, he praised the hard work of Tebor Pathau for the progress in Maulai, and on the same day, he did an inspection on the roads from FCI to Maulai Pong.
Chief Minister Jong Arunachal ya ikublay bangau ong jing itanat ke Shillong kapalapalap. Imat uyat si kelenti ke bakam kendong wong ke jing sup kelentiat bat ke jing kuit bat ke surok ke babet ke babiang. Devi wat ki banabar ki wan ya gaban ya ro ya kasor Shillong ke jungi. Nagadau ngin yai pene ya ka burom jong kasor Shillong barokwei ka bakentup ya ka Maulai bat kini kisnong baper. Kata ke jing angnut jongi nakaliang ke sorkar. Menta ibat tebor la mention kadon kaneka sanction ki melayo ru gabang ilaya khot tendar menta nang ne na Maulai bypass ngin poi satai siapo ga airport umroi ilayo sanction san pauklur bat arpo san klur kawe ga CRF kawe ga mengile lengba jongka donor ministry yo anyo po san klur bat yakane komo pi Muslim syu bangin sedang ban pentrekap.
Local headman of Nongra, Bipeng Rop, expressed his appreciation towards the generosity of Hima Malem through PAIEM AINAM's aim for attending to the problem of scarcity of drinking water in Nongra. Listening to the plight of the people, PAIEM AINAM handed Nongra with a no objection certificate to reconstruct and extract water from the new water source, which is situated in Ichirwat Reserved Forest. PAIEM AINAM entrusted the document to the local headman of Nongra on the 19th of December to the office at the Dorbar Hima Malem at Maukhar.
Pump house, but pipeline, main pumping line, ila dep. Tetap dengan dokumen nakaliang di PHE Health Division, ila mang dah ketok ke bah hadu nyolak litar, ke ni antak lah kumno ketok ngilak ban penyat jeka lah kumno ke population ke bah hadu kemalai pusnem ye. Dei kalasuk kadai nalor ngim dan jeka ngi kerdu jeka bah kan ketok rudai de jing Irap jong kitrailom, ikong lusila pungro, ikong pritiman pungro, pengisayo ikini kijaka banbu ikini kita
Men from Mukro alongside the leaders of Khasi Students Union was eagerly waiting outside the office of the Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to discuss on the matter regarding the intention of the Assam government to expand the police outpost in Mukro and also to request the Chief Minister to maximize the security for the people of the region. After more than an hour of eagerly waiting for the Chief Minister, they were informed that he left the office for Maran Yauringhep at 5 Brigade to accept Amprin Lingdo MLA East Shillong Lajamkra and Mohendro Rapsang MLA West Shillong Mauprem as members of NPP on the 19th of December 2022. The intention was defeated since they could not meet the Chief Minister to talk terms.
Reconstruct that bid office, and this even more better than the last one. Well furnished, and there are many officials out there. For the information of the public and the government, the beat office is present inside the territory of Mukro village. It is well known in any Khasi village that if you want to do anything, if I want to construct a private residence of my own also, I will have to first seek permission from the village Dorbar. But that is not the case with regards to Assam. What they are doing is that they just enter illegally, construct that beat office, and now they have posted a lot of officers out there. To get a better, a clearer picture and understanding is that the Meghalaya police are present near the residential area. But villagers, they do not work in the residential area. They will have to go to the jungle, they will have to go to their fields. And in between the residential area and the fields within the village of Mukro, the Assam police personnel are there and the beat forest officials are there. So the objective of coming here is to appeal to the CM to persuade his Assam counterpart to immediately remove that beat office of the Forest Department of Assam so as to remove any apprehension.
Leader of the Joint Action Committee on Border of Meghalaya, Jagbom, Arwin K. Sutnga, one of the advocates of the state, expressed his disappointment on the statement claimed by Preston Pinsong regarding the areas in Block 2 and also complained on the hasty act of the government regarding the border of Assam government. This leader strongly condemned the government of Meghalaya for its disability to factualize the borders without checking proper documents from reliable sources like the SAME and the local areas situated at the borders of these two states. Jagbom justified and assured the borders by presenting a map to prove the border of Hima Khasi from the time of the British rule. Jagbom decided to file a complaint to the Meghalaya High Court for the matter.
Kabangalungo balay baki pediang yang kata kendai sepak katway te. Dah kendai sepak katway lah dah penyap dah resolution jong ke Meghalaya Assembly baki ong don kam manfa sia ke central government bahkan rai ke central government ini. Ha kani ke propulai kalau long detail hadu kata. Nah sudra ba itu ipi ba kilong shwa manswa kisungi kamtam nadu kapten sama ba bring ter ba lapam Lari pipet ya kejing teri kijongki kesebut kejing teri kijongki kisung thu bamlong man kata ya ke kepala man kela ka dingba ka ban thang ka jai bandu kijongi henry ka bang stunat ba hagani ka report ka map khat khandai spa khat praspa khandai kunrio ka dei ka wei ka nong rim ka ba ki ki ong don kam na puso han nga pai hang ni asam ukalain sikalain tre ban accept ikate ile umno ni la wan ra ikani kam map ha ka Meghalaya ko badan burang jom ngam kwa ban lek ngam kwa ban kan tho ke ka bala ban long ka jing kan tho ka ba kata ka kes ke joni hapo Meghalaya ko nomor ki ong bagade sub judice andrai nga syukwa ban pertip yo pai ba jong kari baka kam kala po ka kot ni don ka jing sania ka papura ka Meghalaya ko mangilai I ba kani ka state ke jongi ladam don syuk ka Meghalaya High Court lakut.
It is highly unlikely that forces will fight for the credit over the road in Mokayao, which is not more than 6 kilometers at this year of election 2023. From the part of Mokayao, MLA Nujorki Sungo on the 19th of December announced that he was the force behind the construction of the road in Mokayao. He uttered this while laying a foundation stone of 2 schools in Mokayao. On the other hand, the local authorities rejected such claim by Nujorki Sungo and justify that the road was constructed since the time of late Purno Sangma and through the present Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Who is right and who is wrong? The people will decide, and the road will still continue to serve the people of the region despite the hassle.
Upun yoi ya kan rugi lemadar kesulok hai ni pok chno mau yau. Bakam yo ke jingko lar ka kapor na ya lai so dengan join. Wa so ndo ahya secondary school komit wa executive managing committee wa ikan ga executive committee na nasional. Lai bahai te da bo ke jingko lar rugi lemadar ya ka sulok chno. Bakam yo ya ke so ndo ahya secondary school. Dan rai ya kanika yang kita senang kesurat, nega sengida, siapa tahu tu kesengida ubah yang umam rim. Aku tendar ya kah, sekat bukan ni diri, dayu penggerak ya kah. Dan rai, hiking itu warna wakas bandar juga, yang ke sekolah, mesti di nama orang lain ke proses kemakan ni. Nih macam tu, siapa sih uang, wahakan bukan negerik, hai por waman. Berlaju, baik mono rini ke ada skor hedai, kamu buat, MLA kamu ngatong ngawale, kenmo hipo miswa, kebuan ini nomor san yang ka, UDP anggi, yo kerja surok, kenapa yo ika, henry sokman wong mende yo andang anggi, iwale, henry ngadeng awang, wasal thau cia kerari, wakani kesurok yo ika, lengba kejok kayung. Yung lihat penuh sama, bukan yang weneng kong yoi nopa, kau ar yoi nokan, kumulai kerpangi yang ini kalong yung ki. Pakam jo, kumulai kerpangi le, yang kau pilih ni batman, kau ye mbah ye surok kauman katni.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.